Most people get this wrong. They think credit limit increases happen just because time passes, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming the OpenSky system works like a normal credit card. In this video, we are breaking down OpenSky credit limit increases in 2026 and exactly how to improve your chances step by step. Let's start with the basics. The OpenSky secured Visa credit card starts with a simple rule. Your credit limit equals your security deposit. So if Alex deposits $300, his credit limit is $300. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike traditional cards, OpenSky does not always offer frequent automatic credit limit increases. Instead, growth is tied to your behavior, deposit changes, and account reviews over time. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They think using the card heavily will trigger increases faster. In reality, high balances without responsible repayment can actually slow down your credit growth. So what actually helps you get a higher credit limit? First, consistent, on-time payments. This is the foundation. If Jake pays his bill on time every month without fail, he builds a strong positive history. Second, low credit utilization. That means you should not use all of your available limit. Ideally, staying under 30% shows responsible usage. Third, time and account stability. The longer your account stays active and responsible, the more likely it is to be reviewed positively. Now let's talk about the unique part of OpenSky. In many cases, instead of traditional credit limit increases, OpenSky users may choose to add more funds to their security deposit. That is one of the simplest ways to increase your limit manually. So if someone starts with $200 and later adds another $300, their new limit becomes $500. In a minute, I'll show you a simple usage pattern that helps you look more creditworthy to lenders even if your limit stays low for a while. Now, let's keep going. The key to growth is not big spending. It is controlled, predictable usage. Think small purchases like subscriptions, groceries, or fuel, followed by full payments every month. This shows financial stability, which is exactly what credit systems are designed to measure. Also, avoid maxing out your card. Even if you pay it off later, high utilization can make your profile look risky in the short term. Let's clear up a common myth. Calling customer support to request a limit increase does not usually speed things up with secured cards like OpenSky. The system mainly relies on your credit behavior and account history. So, what actually works? On-time payments, low utilization, consistent usage, and time. Let's summarize everything clearly. OpenSky credit limit increases in 2026 are not random. They are based on responsible usage, account stability, and sometimes manual deposit increases. If you follow the right habits, your credit profile will grow steadily, even if increases are not immediate. If this helped you understand how OpenSky credit limit increases work, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit building guides like this.